Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable DeBank risk alerts for smart contract interactions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable DeBank risk alerts for smart contract interactions, start by opening the DeBank website in your preferred web browser. Once you are on the DeBank homepage, locate the Connect Wallet button at the top right corner. Click on this button to open the wallet connection options. Select your preferred wallet from the list, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. After your wallet is connected, navigate to the Settings section. You can find the Settings icon typically represented by a gear symbol. Click on the Settings icon to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Risk Alerts option. Click on Risk Alerts to enter the Risk Alert configuration screen. You will see a list of available risk alert options related to smart contract interactions. Enable the alerts by toggling the switch next to each risk type you want to monitor. Consider reviewing the risk categories to ensure you enable the alerts that matter most to your interactions. After selecting your preferred alerts, scroll down to find the notification settings. Here, you can choose how you would like to receive alerts, such as through email or mobile notifications. Adjust these settings according to your preference. Once you have configured all the settings, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the settings page and click it. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your risk alerts have been successfully enabled. Now, return to your DeBank dashboard to continue using the platform with your new risk alert settings in place. With the alerts enabled, you will receive timely notifications regarding potential risks from smart contract interactions. This will help you make informed decisions while managing your DeFi investments. You are now ready to interact with smart contracts more securely on DeBank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.